What is up, everyone? Welcome back to your daily stimulus check news. The topic of today's video is your fourth stimulus check update. Today is Monday, May 3rd. Let's get right to the very first article. Yahoo Finance, you know it's reputable, you know it's legit. Fourth stimulus checks are very likely. According to Joe Biden, he himself said that the stimulus check money is making a huge difference in people's lives. Again, me personally, I agree with this. Comment below if you agree that, the stimulus check as a whole made a huge impact and benefited your lives overall. A lot of people went on the record and said they used the stimulus check money they received to pay off bills, debt, loans, whatever kind of, negative debt they had, just to catch up, from being behind due to not having a job or being paid less. That's why I personally agree that stimulus checks actually did make a huge difference in people's lives, and I agree with Joe Biden. Comment below if you agree. That's the very first article, Yahoo Finance, and then that brings us to our second article right here, Business Insider, very reputable, very legit. There is a petition going around urging government to give $2,000 a month stimulus checks every single month to every American citizen, and it has surpassed over 2 million signatures. I myself have signed this. I want to bring it to people's attention. As we look right here, a petition calling for $2,000 monthly stimulus checks has reached over 2 million signatures, and as it says right here, the petition argues that 3 stimulus checks released over the last course of a year have not been sufficient enough money. Actually, people deserve more money, more than just 3 stimulus checks, and one of those 3 only being $600. Not only that, but many other countries have actually given their citizens multiple stimulus checks every single month for over a year now. Meanwhile, we actually received only 3 stimulus checks, one being only $600. Right here, Senate Democrats have been urging both Congress to pass the recurring relief checks to help many families overcome the financial difficulties they're facing due to the pandemic. Like I said, this is the second article, Business Insider, and as we see right here, another article, a third article saying the same exact thing. Petition calls monthly stimulus checks of $2,000 passes over 2 million signatures. I'm not allowed to play video, but as we see right here, an online petition calling for Congress to deliver monthly stimulus checks every single month until the end of the pandemic, aka until the end of the year, has now surpassed over 2 million signatures, with the goal being hitting 3 million. Allegedly, according to my source, Congress and Senate, specifically Democrats, are actually looking into actually getting this passed 100% legit. This isn't, a joke. We're looking at potentially, allegedly including a stimulus check this month in May, maybe even June, and maybe even July, potentially, because we see right here coming from Congress, as we see right here, Congress is saying themselves, in quotes, saying we need immediate checks and reoccurring payments so that we can keep our heads above water, meaning most people use the money just to pay back, bills, some kind of debt, just to, to stop being behind, just to catch up, because due to the pandemic, due to losing their jobs, working less, they're earning less money, but their bills are staying constant and the same, so they're just digging themselves in a hole, going more and more into financial debt, head underwater. And according to my source, allegedly, I have to say allegedly because there's no, information confirming this, it's all just rumor. My source hasn't been wrong once. With that being said, just because they haven't been wrong yet, guys, today, it doesn't mean, it doesn't come to fruition, because, Democrats, Republicans, it's hard to get them to agree specifically on giving more money every single month, upwards of $2,000, but it's possible, and you might actually allegedly receive a stimulus check May, June, July. It's very, very possible. It's a possibility. Like I said, we have Yahoo Finance. Joe Biden said it himself. I just want to take 2 seconds out the video to let you know every single day, daily, I post minimum 1 video, if not 2 videos, and in every single video I give away free Amazon gift cards. If you want to enter the free Amazon gift card giveaway and have a chance to win free money, all you have to do is hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and comment the word freedom one more time so everyone understands the rules. You must hit that like button, you must hit that subscribe button, you must comment the word freedom. Every single day I post a video, every single video I do a free Amazon gift card, and in tomorrow's video, that's why you must subscribe, because the winner is chosen in tomorrow's video. Just like right now, we're going to pick the winner from my last video's comment section. Let's go right now live. There we go. You are amazing. B. Williams, congratulations. You are the winner. You have 24 hours to email me, averagetuber@yahoo.com. B. Williams, congratulations. If you're watching live, guys, if you are a member, comment below, say congratulations. If you want a chance to win, like I said, I post daily videos. I give away free Amazon gift card every single day. In every single video, you must hit that like button, you must hit that subscribe button, and comment the word of the day, which today is freedom. And in tomorrow's video, I'll be picking the winner. Now, basically, just to quickly summarize, if you're not already aware, let's go right here. Again, there is a petition right here, Business Insider, actually talking about $2,000 monthly stimulus checks, and there is over 2 million signatures. And if we take a look right here, this is quoted congressmen, people actually saying, I'm calling on Congress to support families with $2,000 monthly for adults and $1,000 payment for kids immediately. Keyword being immediately. And I don't know how many of you guys remember, I actually talked about this well over a week ago, maybe even 2 weeks ago. I said potentially reoccurring monthly stimulus checks. Not only that, I said upwards of $2,000 to $3,000. Comment below if you're watching live, if you actually actually recall me saying this, but I did say this. I don't recall exactly which video I said this in, but literally 10 days ago I said this exact same thing, and finally we're seeing a Business Insider, confirming it. And right here you're seeing this article and also Yahoo Finance. So every single time I give you guys, a leak or a rumor coming from my source, not only have they not been wrong once, over 30 rumors, over 30 leaks, they actually 100% are before any news cycle comes out. I have to say the word alleged because it's not information you can Google. You can't look it up and, there's no articles that say proving it, right? Proving it to be true, because currently, the Democrats or Republicans, Joe Biden, they're talking about it behind closed doors. My Senate actually works inside Congress, but, it may not come to fruition. Just because they're talking about it, it's very, very difficult for Democrats, Republicans to come together. But that's why every single day I keep you guys updated. You're adults. You deserve to know 100% the truth. Name me another YouTuber that showed you the article, showed you their sources. Nobody. They look at a camera, they lie to you, they manipulate you to tell you what you want to hear. I only talk about real stuff. I wouldn't be saying potential stimulus checks every single month if I couldn't back it up, right? Right here, Business Insider saying right here, $2,000 monthly stimulus checks. You see right here, Yahoo Finance, Joe Biden himself saying this money is making a huge difference, which I do believe in. Again, daily videos, daily giveaways. And finally, if you do want to support me, please hit this white join button. It only costs 99 cents, literally less than $1. All the money does go to charity, every single penny. All I do with the money is I put it in a fund, and then I pull that fund to continue doing these daily Amazon gift cards. If I can get 100 people donate 99 cents, all I do is I have enough money in fund to keep doing daily giveaways, and literally for $1 you can win $100. So not only that, but as a member, if you do hit this white join button on my channel for 99 cents, you get a diamond next name that changes colors. Look in the comments. If you see someone that has a diamond next name, that means they're a member. That means you support me. Not only do you get a diamond next to your name, you get members only exclusive emojis, you get members only exclusive community tab, you get members only exclusive live streams, giveaways, polls, monthly giveaways every single day. These videos, if you see people talking in the chat, those are members. Members get to actually talk with me live as the video is going live and interact with me before anybody else can see the video, because after the live stream is over, that live stream actually becomes the video. That's why there's likes on the videos. That's why you see people talking in chat, because members, if you do hit this white join button, you get to interact with me live, ask me questions, I answer, you get to email me, you get to enter in the free monthly members only giveaway. There's a bunch of perks. I literally want to help people. And last but certainly not least, I do have a clothing line brand. If you do want to support me, every single shirt is $19.99. Every single shirt is made out of 100% cotton, and it all goes to charity and a good cause. Let's take this one for example, right? If you look right here, really, really good quality right here, 100% cotton. This is, Ralph Lauren quality, cotton shirts. Very good news. All of them are made in the USA, and ask anybody in the comments, a very good design quality, basically it's a very, very good quality shirts, a very good design material, very good print quality, $19.99. All the money does go to charity. So again, if you do want to support me, hit this white join button for 99 cents. All the money does actually go to someone else in need. It just allows me to keep doing these daily giveaways. Hit that like, be subscribed, comment. See you guys tomorrow. Peace.